So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If I look a little funky, it's because I got my Boxycharm today and I wanted to try the eyeshadow palette that is in there. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription box. I think it's around $22 and change. You get 4 to 5 full-size products each month. There's usually high-end products in here. As I've said before, Boxycharm is my favorite. It has never failed me, and this is pretty much this month's Boxycharm. As you can see, we have something interesting in here from Laura Lee Los Angeles, and that's pretty exciting. So we have something pretty interesting here. I wish I knew we had all the other stuff that I'm now seeing, or else I would have never put on my foundation. But moving on. So let me, I guess, start off with the other products that I obviously jumped ahead. I won't be able to use. But Becca, this is called Ever Matte Poreless Primer Perfector, and this is pretty much the theme for this month. It is absolutely beautiful, and in here you're going to be able to see all the prices on everything. So this primer is worth $15. Let me check it out. Okay, this looks like a deluxe sample. That's pretty cool, I guess. It's kind of weird. It does, is it silicone based? And then we have this from Bang Beauty, and this is a gel eyeliner, and it is brown. And it is brown. I've never used a brown eyeliner. Like, I swear to God, I thought this was gonna be like an eyebrow pomade, but okay, that's pretty interesting. And we have, I absolutely love these, and I'm so glad that I got these. I did actually reorder these because I do love these. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've done a video before. You guys, this thing works wonders. We have a little serum here. Let's see what this is. So this is called NCLA Los Angeles So Rich Vitamin E Infused Cuticle Oil. Let me see. Oh, it smells amazing though. Well, that's pretty cool. It smells so good. It has like a little, I don't know, like a little chocolate smell. Then the last two things that we have in here is a Smashbox liquid lipstick, and this is Be Legendary Liquid Metal, and it is in the color Foiled Brat and the Laura Lee Los Angeles. You want to know what's so funny? I was actually going to order this and it's sold out. So now I'm kind of happy that I didn't order it, because I basically paid 20 bucks for an entire box of a bunch of stuff that I absolutely love. These are going over here because I'm definitely going to use that. Keep that close. And I don't know if I said the prices for anything else other than that. So the Becca Cosmetics Primer, it is $15. The gold eye masks, they are $13. The gel eyeliner, it is $22. And the cuticle, I guess cuticle oil, it retails for $18. The Smashbox liquid lipstick retails for, it says from $21 to $24. And then the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette retails for $19. So that's pretty cool. And this is it. These are some interesting colors. I like them. I like it. I've been into the crazy quirky colors lately. So let's see what kind of crazy eye look I could create with this. I guess I'm gonna go in with Damage Control. I guess do something different. I'm only gonna use this palette. I'm having a little trouble blending, or it could just be me. I'm having an off day. My makeup is just not working with me today. I don't know what's wrong with me today. I'm like really, today is just not my day for makeup, or I have no idea. Let's try this again. Okay, this Morphe brush is doing a little better. Let me go in with Karaoke. See how that turns out. I don't even know what I'm doing anymore at this point. I'm starting to wonder if I'm the only one struggling with this palette. I'm gonna pop a little bit of concealer. Now I'm gonna put It's a Party right here. Let's see how that works out for me. I'm sorry, and I'm gonna go with Drinks on the bottom.
Drinks? What kind of name is that? Are you gonna do a rainbow eye?
I don't know what I'm doing, Haley, to be honest. Kayla. And lastly, let me just pop this on because to be honest, pretty much this whole eye look, I feel like went to hell. To be honest, I'm not a fan of metallic lipsticks due to the fact that I'm older, and I feel like the metallic just shows all the wrinkles you guys can see in my lips. But I'm not gonna keep my I feel like a peacock. I swear to God, this lipstick is so ugly. Oh my God. Anyway, that is pretty much it for my Boxycharm unboxing. I hope you guys liked your Boxycharm. Anyway, thank you guys so much for witnessing my disaster and hopefully not laughing at me. But bye-bye guys, until next time.